All right, good morning, Arizona. We got our first no heat call of the day. Let's get to it. All right, we got a carrier unit with no heat. Well, it's a heat pump, no heat strips. We can get away with that on the Southwest, but there are days that we really do need them heat strips in. But let's see what's going on. So upon opening this guy up, I found that cap back there to be bad. So I had put in a new one, she's up and running. But it's never just the capacitor. There's something that caused this cap to go bad, and this unit's only 5 years old. She's pulling a little hard. That grinding noise don't sound good either. Getting okay heat. This guy's climbing up to its limit. Slowly climbing up. Compressor's probably real hot. Well, can't get them all. That customer didn't change their filter for about 5 years. Compressor started overamping and continued overamping even while running. Let them know. Sometimes you can only lead a horse to water, but you can't make them drink.